Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today I thought we would do a haul, kind of type-ish haul. These are stuff that I've gotten over the last few months. Definitely not like I picked these all up at once, but they are mostly product minis or products that came in sets and minis because I like mini products to try out and see if they work, and I just couldn't not commit to full size. So if you guys want to see the little teeny tiny products that I'm interested in and picked up, then please keep watching. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because you are not being notified when I upload. So hit those and let's get into the video. Alright, so first off, I did pick up a few sets. So I picked up this Ulla Henriksen. It is called the A Brighter Truth set. And I started using this week, so I can't say if it's worked yet. It comes with the little truth serum, which that I have tried and I love, and it is so hard to find the mini one in stock. Like, it's constantly in and out of stock, so it drives me crazy. So I just went ahead and got this whole thing because I was tired of waiting. And the little one actually comes out to cheaper than buying the bigger size, actually. So it's not super tiny, but it does, yeah, I'm all about saving that money. So why not just buy the minis rather than buy the bigger size? And you can keep them in different rooms. Not like you need to, but like sometimes, you know, when my husband's in the bathroom, I go into the other bathroom. It's a whole thing. It also comes with the Face Truth Gel Cleanser and the Advanced Moisturizer. I have not used the moisturizer yet because I already have some that I'm really liking and I haven't opened yet. So I don't want to just open up a whole bunch of products and then not really get to use them or see if they actually make a difference on my skin. I rather would like to know what's making a difference on my skin. So I haven't used that yet. The cleanser I've been using every morning and I really do like it. I, for the longest time, could not find a face wash that I like to use first thing waking up. But I really like this so far. So I will update you guys on all this stuff in a few months and let you know how it all worked out. Next up, I got this watermelon glow recipe. If you have been, like, everyone I feel like lately has been talking about the mask, which is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And I recommend getting this set because you get this giant pink juice moisturizer, which is the full size, and this little thing, which is actually has a lot of product in it. And I believe this was under 40 bucks, or maybe it was like 44 bucks. But this by itself, it's just a better deal. It's a much better deal than just buying, like, because I think the mini is like 22 bucks if you're trying to just buy that. So it's definitely worth the full size moisturizer. And the moisturizer, I haven't opened that one yet either. I've been using the Pink Cloud moisturizer lately. But the lady gave me a sample of it at the store and it feels so nice. And if you like this, you'll like this. And if you like watermelon, you will be in heaven because I love this for summertime because it's not heavy. Usually in the winter time, I use a heavier mask. This is perfect, lightweight. It almost doesn't even feel like you're putting on a mask. You're kind of like, what is this? But you wake up with the softest feeling skin, and I've really been enjoying it, and I've been using it now for like 2 months, and you just need a little amount. So I always recommend getting little tiny things to try them out to see if you want the full size, or you can always just ask for a sample while you're at Sephora and they will give you one. So that's what I tend to do with masks because I ain't got the money to be spending on, you know, full size stuff. So smells like watermelon. Like, I don't even really like watermelon because the seeds get stuck, and I don't like seeds. I don't want to work for food. That's yeah, I don't know why I got stuck on that rant, but I feel like watermelon always sounds so refreshing to eat too, but I don't really like it because of all the seeds. I'm a melon type gal. Melons. That one is probably my favorite purchase, I'm not gonna lie. I also did pick up this Sunday Riley. I picked this up a long time ago and I have not used it. Sunday Riley Protect and Repair Moisturizer. Another moisturizer. Apply to clean skin twice a day. I'll use this eventually. As you know, Sunday Riley is super expensive. I think that's why I secretly haven't opened this, because I'm just like, I don't want to be hooked on this. Like, my bank account can't be hooked on this. So yeah, that's probably why I haven't used it. But let me know if you guys have and what you think. Like, should I just go for it, you know? This Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. If you have not watched my previous videos, you know I don't like sprays. I'm trying to get into them, so I did end up picking up minis. I think this is like still the old packaging, and I haven't even gone through half of this. So I always like minis for stuff like this for travel. It does work and everything, but yeah, I'm just not that into sprays. Which, why I got this next one, I don't know, but this one's much cuter. This is the Kodly Beauty Elixir. I'm gonna spray it on my face this time right now, because I did not. Okay. For as much as someone who keeps saying I don't like sprays, I love the way this smells. I use it in the store too, and I was just like, all right, it smells great. I don't really know. This is shake before use, mist onto the face, any time of the day. So we will see if I like this, but so far I just wanted something refreshing for summer, which is why I picked it up. I like refreshing stuff. That's why I love my Becca Hydra Mist. I live in Arizona, so anything to soothe me in the summertime is great. I don't have too much more. The only other mini things I picked up were 2 makeup products, which is both from the same brand, the Benefit. I have the tiny little roller lash, and then I have the Bad Gal Bang. Yes. And I would say if you're trying to choose between the two, this is more natural. This makes you look like you want this one. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say if I'm gonna go purchase the full size, this one's probably my favorite. So this is when I don't want to wear falsies. When I am gonna wear false lashes, I put on this one. So those are my 2. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on those. I don't know if anybody else gets obsessed with the little checkout line and pick up random shit that you don't need. But you know, they put it there on purpose, you know? It works. It works, Sephora, you creepy, sneaky little bastards that put the fucking shit in the checkout line. Anyways, sorry about that. Anyways though, those are things I couldn't commit to full size yet. I would love to know your guys' thoughts on some of the products if you've used them. Things that you didn't like, stuff that you bought that you were like, never thought you were gonna buy, and then you got sucked in to that awful place. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these products, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini video. A tutorial will be on this look, this minty green beaded look soon, so stay tuned for that. Hit that notification bell so you know when it's up, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and have a good weekend. Bye.
So what does this actually do? It does not say what it is. It's like, I've heard of it. Everyone talks about the pretty bottle, but it doesn't say what it actually does. I don't know if it prolongs. I don't know if it just puts it on your face. The hell am I supposed to know about this Kodly? 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 Yeah. I don't know. But I think I like it. I think I like it.